5 smokehouse holiday appetizers, each in under an hour, and they look like you spent all day in the kitchen. Let's get at it. We're starting with smokehouse deviled eggs, but we're doing something different. We're smoking just the yolks. This gives you that deep smoke flavor without drying out the whites. Get those yolks into a disposable aluminum pan. We want them in a single layer so the smoke hits every surface. Look at that color. These yolks are packed with smoke flavor. Now let's turn them into deviled eggs. These are always the first to disappear. That smoke flavor makes all the difference. If you're looking for more ideas for your party spread, hit that subscribe button. We've got even more great recipes to choose from. Now let's get back to these appetizers. Next, Marionberry Lil Smokies. Sweet, smoky, tangy, and they disappear fast. This is Oregon Marionberry jam doing the heavy lifting. Take a half cup of jam, quarter cup of barbecue sauce, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons stone ground Dijon mustard, and 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper. Stir it all together, turn the heat to medium, and let it simmer. You want that glaze to thicken up and coat every sausage. Once the sauce thickens up, we're adding the smokies and taking the whole skillet to the smoker. 250 degrees with your favorite wood. You'll see the glaze get shiny and sticky. That's when you know it's ready at about 30 minutes. Look at that glaze. Sticky, shiny, perfect. These go straight into a serving dish with toothpicks or keep them warm in a slow cooker if you're serving a crowd. Next up, a Tillamook smokehouse cheese board. Now I cold smoked these cheeses about 2 weeks ago because smoke needs time to mellow out in the cheese. Let me show you how I did it. 2 hours of cold smoke, then wrapped and refrigerated for 10 to 14 days. That 2-week rest is key. It lets the smoke mellow and penetrate all the way through. Now let's build this board. Remember, if you can't smoke your own, grab pre-smoked cheese from the store. You'll still get that flavor. That's it. Cold smoked Tillamook cheeses, salted nuts, olives, my homemade pickles, crackers, and toasted baguette. The smoke on that cheese is subtle and balanced now, not overpowering. Now for the Brinner skillet dip. We're hot smoking cream cheese with Memphis rub right in the cast iron skillet. Place your cream cheese blocks right in the skillet and score them in a crosshatch pattern. This lets the smoke penetrate and the rub get into all those cracks. Look at that caramelized crust. Into a 375-degree oven this goes. We want this cheese melted and bubbly, and those jalapenos just starting to char on top. Look at that bubbling, smoky goodness. Serve this with tortilla chips and chicharrones and watch it disappear. For our fifth recipe, we have an elegant nut-crusted smoked goat cheese ball. It's tangy, it's got that smokehouse bite, and the hazelnut crust gives you the perfect crunch. I cold smoked this goat cheese log a couple of weeks ago, same as the cheddar. Now let's prep our coating and shape this ball. That's your make-ahead appetizer right there. You can prep this a day in advance and it just gets better in the fridge. Be sure to pull it out 20 minutes or so before serving. There you go, 5 delicious smokehouse appetizers, smokehouse deviled eggs, Marionberry Lil Smokies, a cheese board featuring world-famous Tillamook cheeses, the Brinner skillet dip, and that nut-crusted smoked goat cheese ball. If you want another smokehouse holiday recipe, check out my Christmas smoked beef shanks video right here. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Later, Gator.